Angie, why are you here?
I am here to protest against Animal Kingdom.
Randy, where do the puppies come from?
They come from cruel puppy mills out of state.
Carla, what is a puppy mill?
A puppy mill is a breeding facility where the mother dogs are in their cages all the time, 24/7. They never get out. They never get vet care. They are not groomed. They are really difficult to house train. They have health problems, and oftentimes the puppies have health problems as well. They're very cruel facilities.
Hey Laura, who do you represent?
TucsonActionTeam.com.
Nikki, who are you here with?
I'm here as part of Speak Tucson and Tucson Action Team.
Hey Issa, why are you here?
Because we have over 500 homeless dogs in our local animal shelter and we do not need a pet store. Courtney, what can we all do to help?
Adopt from